Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel BHNFT Insider. Here we are going.
I will tell you about a project that is currently attracting great attention in the world market. A project in which YouTube co-founder Steve Chan is involved. And this is the best part that Baby Pajama will released very soon. Everyone who participates in the pajama will be gifted baby pajamas at the same rate 1% every day. Baby pajamas will be listed on the price at the price of $0.001 and the target price on the listed Binance is 1 May and on the Maxi with 0.75 this will be price and so on $1 $8 and 12 weeks later it is going to be increased means this is price going to be increased to $1. So be ready, and you can also let's watch an introduction about their community, how this project is going to be profitable thing for you. That is has already uploaded the video of 30 seconds on the YouTube, and he is a co-founder of YouTube. Pajamas and Nick Drake, that was the title. Two decade ago, and a group of people came together develop project. Now they are also going to set up concept of this pajamas cat that has successful entrepreneur. They are going to learn about the pajamas when people from all over they approach him and ask if he developed this token in honor of this case. And over the time, pajamas token also catches the interest of Steve Chen. His research people who developed the token meet with them. After reviewing the project, he announces that he want to get involved and could even help list in pajamas token on the largest crypto exchange like Bitfinex, Maxi, and Gate.io. Even largest exchange May they are going to list on the Binance to make pajamas token rise more steadily and generate more demand. A very attractive project is being developed. A total four different packages will be created that is offered as staking for 180 days, exactly 6 months. So there will be daily reward of 1% if pajamas token remain fixed at the current price. In 3 months, 10 days or 100 days exactly you purchase the token, then package have been amortized. Since the staking period is 6 months, number of tokens will have doubled during this time. Without the active action at the end of 6 months, once the staking period has expired, token will be released. The staking result will be that the number of on pajamas token has been tripled. So please pay close attention now. And pajamas token which already has high demand acceptance and cannot stay at the price. When this was approved at the November 27, the price was 0.0042. On the December 1, we have got ahead now. In the evening, December 8, price has been doubled. So get ready for that, and there you can also check out if price stays same and the same, and package purchased from the staking have amortized to 6 to 7 week. After 180 days the total number of token will be generated. With the support of Steve Chain, once the pajamas token is going to list on major exchanges, Gate.io, Maxi, Bitfinex in 2025 February and January month. You imagine how much price will increase 10 times, 50 times, 100 times or more times. Additionally, it is expected pajamas token will be listed on Binance in May or June 2025. How much could be price increase before and after the listing? 10, 20, 50, 100, or it could be even increase much more. So get ready for the next 1000x potential. With the third important factor that we are just beginning the bull market season. Right now pajamas token is already available on open market ready for trading. It is receiving the great interest worldwide in the first 7 days. Join now our online presentations where we will show you the entire development and extraordinary exciting journey. everything that you need to purchase from the staking package and lock the tokens for staking, and current price for the pajamas token will be created to you. You will be received 1% of the purchase token back as reward every day. Who knows, maybe 1% for pajamas token you receive in one day. Is that all? Of course not. You will also be provided with a successful back office and referral link. If you have help others benefit from the pajamas token project, you will receive 10% of the pajamas token that are distributed daily, 1% of those people as a reward. So I'm sure attentive viewers, so you have noticed also, this means that every day you will have credited with 1000 of token purchased by the person as a reward, and 180 days. This equal exactly 180 and 1000 on 18%. This is the reward model that is very rare in the industry of cryptocurrency that has been described. Since the people you have recommend the pajamas project to enjoy the same benefit and rights, they will recommend to others in a short time. Team will under you, gradually growing deeper. On one level you will get 10%. On level 2 you are also going to get receive another 10% for the customer partners. On the third level you will get another 10% for the everyone. On fourth level you will get 5%. For the fifth level you will get 5%. This is the equal impressive 72% of total revenue. However, since we are talking about the token we price constantly rising, and since it will be listed on largest exchange in the short period of time, you can hardly imagine the next 1000x potential. Additionally, we have a top 10 list. The first place is ranking $2000 package, second 1000, and third one is $500, and everyone from the 4th to 10 will get $200 package as a reward for their efforts. There are also many other people who have worked already and they are also getting the profit on it. Next, you can also check out that on the dashboard you can imagine what is the basic proper profit that anyone can get. There is first one $200 as bronze and $500 for the silver. There is $1000 for the gold, and platinum is $5000 investment. Come with the special Christmas and New Year package, 1.4% daily base income. There is a lot of opportunity, there is a lot of profit. Come to support, and your daily live presentation are held on various language. For information exchange Telegram channel in different language, our global team will support you, are available for your any description. You can find link in my video. Like this one will be made available to you. Speak with your sponsors, team leaders, person who sent you the link. So get ready for the next profitable thing. Now they are also available on the Global Brand YouTube channel. It was laughed at, many may not, but token is seriously. But now everything in the world now a pajama is on drag course for becoming global players and global brands. People behind this project, including the Steve Chen, are as far experienced, much more popular, stronger when they are going to found it on YouTube. Pajamas will take its deserved place in its global market. It as nothing can stop something that is going to be. Time comes. Now you can also let's go for a detail as the back office. So come back, and next you can check out there is also username that you can find when you will create your account. I will provide link in my video. And next you can also check out about the details of your staking. Your total earning will be shown here, and you can also check out on the top 10 leaders. There you can find what is the basic USD. Your daily income will be shown here. You can get as referral income, your passive income, and 1% income for the own staking. So you can also check out here. Next you can get the total income for staking 3 weeks, and there is also amazing features, means referral income for 3 weeks. You can also collect it, and here you can also check out the plans that has been activated on your account here
in your My package for 200.
So I would like to make a brief reminder here that BNB was launched in 2017 at the price of 001, but the staking opportunity was also offered there. So now there is also a best option on the number of tokens benefited from the increasing in their value. You can see what BNB is right now at the price of 0 means the BNB now at the price of $800 plus. So be ready. The next hype as a pajama, of course. Pajamas and baby pajama project owner do not claim that this token worth hundreds of dollars. However, the team developing this strategies project is developing under the sustainable project such as its own blockchain game platform. Artificial intelligence platform behind Pajama, there is a strong ecosystem will be formed. Thank you for the attention. And you can also follow them and get the work how price is going to be increased to the next 1000x potential. You can also check out there is also something that is going to telling you that there will be next 1000x potential. Be ready for it. And here is also market cap how price is going to increase. You can check out on the dex near to the recently price. And next you can also see here that there is also baby pajama and pajama on the Solana and token. Their community is also available into different languages on the Telegram, either in their own YouTube channel. So you are belong to another country, you can also check out each and every language, like there is different languages. You can understand the presentations, and you have already watched how this is going to be profitable thing for you. You have to subscribe their YouTube channel. You have to follow them on their social media links too. I hope you have cleared. Thanks for attention. See you soon in next video.